Today we are going to explore a world where threads, rope and imagination comes together. The world of handmade handbags, crochet bag and geotrope bags. These are not just fashion items, they are stories woven with creativity, patience and love. A handmade bag carries something no factory made item can made like you. Perfect. Let's build together. Welcome dear listeners. Handbags we are talking about. Now, today's explore the art of these bags, the wellness that crafting brings to the mind, and most importantly, how you can grow a business from your creativity. Handmade handbags stand apart from factory made products, they carry a soul. Every stitch, every note, every weave reflects time, effort, and love. Delicate, detailed, and versatile. From beach bags to evening clutches, crochet designs never go out of style. They speak of fashions, patience, and skills. Jute bags, natural, eco-friendly, and durable. Jute bags have a rustic charm, making them perfect for eco-conscious customers. Who wants beauty with sustainability? Handmade fabric or fixed material bags. These bags can combine leather, scraps, denim, beads, or embroidery, each one unique, each one telling its own story. Before we dive into business growth, let's pause to recognize what crafting does for the mind and soul. Working on a crochet stitch or weaving jute strands is a mindful practice. The rhythm calms the mind, the focus sharpens creativity, crafting reduces stress and gives a deep sense of accomplishment. For many artisans, making a bag is more than work. It's therapy. It's a way to escape daily stress, connect with tradition, and feel proud of creating something beautiful with one's own hand. And when you sell these creations, you are not only earning income, you are also spreading wellness. Your bags inspire others to appreciate slow, thoughtful craftsmanship in a fast paced world. Every bag brand begins small, and so can you with handbags. Your business can start from home. Begin with a signature style. Don't try to make everything at once. Choose a focus, maybe crochet sling bags, jute rope totes, or hand embroidered pearls. Build a collection of 5-10 pieces around your signatures style. Know your market. You should know your market. Ask yourself who will use my bags: young students, eco friendly shoppers, fashion conscious fashion conscious professionals. When you know your customer, you can design with their taste in mind. Don't overspend at the start. Use leftover yarn, jute rope, recycle fabrics. Customers love sustainable stories. Share your work with family and friends. Attend small community fairs, weekend markets. Create an online presence. Open an Instagram page, Facebook shop, or Etsy store. Post high quality photos of your bags. Natural light work wonders. Show not only the finished bag but also behind the scenes crafting moments. Customers love to see the making journey. So keep your work smart. Thank you for joining me today. May your hands always stay busy, your creativity always shine, and your business always